How to set target spot trading Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to set your target on your spot trading in Bybit. After you open the Bybit, go to trading. After you go to the trade section, so at the top you choose spot and then you tap on this option now and choose the coin you want to set. So for this video, let's say I want to choose Solana. So after you choose the Sol, so the first thing to do, you tap on this buy button. Under the buy, now you tap on this option now and set the limit. I will set this limit. So for this option now, I will tap on this option now. So the current price of the Solana is 124.66. So now I'll tap on this option now and choose, let's say, whenever the price of Solana goes to 110, that's $1,010, I will buy like 100 amount of Solana. After you type in the quantity of the Solana you want to buy, and then you tap on this buy button. You tap on this buy again. So if you scroll to down, so now here is my order. So now whenever now the price of the Solana goes to 110, it will just automatically buy for me. So now I place my target at the 110. So that's it, guys, on how to set target price on the Bybit spot trading. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.